Hi, I'm Olga Elsiad, a sugar detox coach. I make quitting sugar easier. In today's video, we're going to talk about constipation during sugar detox. We're going to discuss a variety of lifestyle changes and supplements that can help you get out of the vicious cycle of constipation. You cannot detoxify from anything if you are not going to the bathroom, number 2, at least once a day, once in 24 hours. And ideally, for detox purposes, you need to be going 2 to 3 times a day. As a sugar detox coach, I've learned to ask my future customers if they ever get constipated. And honestly, I was very surprised to hear a positive answer almost every single time. I don't know whether it's people who are addicted to sugar are prone to constipation, or in general, people are more constipated than they would like to admit to a public or even to their own doctor. But it is what it is, and we need to deal with it. Chronic constipation means that stuff is sitting in your colon, and the toxins are not getting out of the body, but instead being reabsorbed back into the blood supply, making you sick all over again. I also noticed that people who frequently get constipated in their regular day-to-day life, once they start sugar detoxing, they become very constipated. I am one of those people who gets constipated from almost any change in my life. It doesn't have to be a detox. And that is why I take a lot of precaution to prevent it in myself and my customers. Our elimination system depends on the health of the bacterial world inside of us, inside of our intestines. In a healthy gut, there is a thick layer of good bacteria that pre-digest the food that enters the intestine and breaks it down into smaller parts that is after that absorbed into the bloodstream and turned into nutrition for our cells, for our organs. This gut bacteria helps us produce some vitamins, important vitamins for us, and also some hormones, like our happy hormone serotonin is produced majorly in the gut, as well as melatonin that helps us sleep. Good gut bacteria helps us to keep yeasts like Candida under control. And when too many toxins are entering the body, also parasites, they create imbalance in the gut flora, and all the problems start from there. Most of those toxins enter our bodies through food, through processed food, pesticides, and other things. The purpose of sugar detox is to rebalance that gut flora. But when you add constipation to it, it just makes it so much harder. And that's why I make this video, to help you tackle this problem. Constipation is very uncomfortable and makes you feel sick. The good news is that with some very simple dietary, lifestyle, and supplement changes, you can get back on track and feel great again. During our sugar detox initial consultation, I always ask my customers if they're prone to constipation. And that allows us to discuss a little bit the lifestyle and what is happening. And at the same time, it allows you to order a few supplements that can help you prevent and solve this problem, so you don't have to suffer. Now let's discuss what exactly can you do to prevent and solve the constipation problem during sugar detox. Number 1 is very simple. Drink plenty of water. Hydration is super important for keeping things moving in your digestive tract. If you are not drinking enough water, things are gonna get hard. The water will be squeezed out from your waste in your colon, and the things are just gonna get stuck. And even more water if you are physically active or live in a very hot climate. On my blog, olgaelsiad.com, I have an article where I explain how to calculate exactly how much water you need to drink every day for your weight. Don't even try any other tips that I'm going to give you further in this video if you are not adjusting your water intake. You have to drink water first. Number 2, add minerals to your water. In today's world, most of health-conscious people drink filtered water or bottled water that was also filtered by the companies. And that water is lacking minerals. As we remove from the water all the bad stuff, all the contaminants, they also remove essential minerals. And that is why it is important to add minerals into your water or into your diet, so you have enough minerals that help you with detoxification of the body, but at the same time they help you have a smoother bowel movements. Magnesium and potassium are the two biggest minerals that we need in our body, and they also, in addition to many other things they do in the body, they help draw water back into the colon and help move things smoother, to stimulate contractions of the colon to get things out. You can consider drinking mineral water that they sell in the bottles in the store. Some brands like Pellegrino, San Pellegrino, Gerolsteiner, I'm sorry, I probably not pronouncing it right, but these mineral waters have enough minerals to keep you hydrated and keep things smoother. You can also make your own mineral water at home with Hydromax. This is the program that contains everything to mineralize your water with electrolytes, antioxidants, and all the minerals that your body needs. This program comes in a box with 3 different supplements that you add to your water. This is Coramine, a little sachet that you add to a pitcher of water or a big bottle of water, and you drink it throughout the day. It contains all the trace minerals necessary for your body. It also contains a potassium supplement. As we said, potassium is very important in preventing constipation, and we also have antioxidants here, which are also minerals based, and they promote detoxification of the body. So this is one of my favorite ways to add minerals to my water. Many customers report that their stool becomes a lot more regular and softer going through this program, which means that at the base of their constipation was a mineral deficiency and deficiency of water. Another mineral is magnesium. Many people who are deficient in magnesium tend to have chronic constipation. Magnesium today is depleted from our soils, and that's why our food is also depleted in minerals, including magnesium, and that creates a global problem. We need to supplement magnesium today. If my customers complain that they have constipation during the program, I recommend them to buy this magnesium because it contains a few forms of magnesium that help restore the balance of it in the body and helps to solve the problem. Another supplement that I really love that contains natural magnesium is Ocean Mint. Ocean Mint is a magnesium and other trace minerals from the depth of the ocean, and it works awesome. I personally love this one during the times when I fast, to prevent constipation after a fast. But just a warning, magnesium is a quick way to solve constipation. It works within just a few hours. However, to solve the problem long term, you need to work on rebalancing your gut flora. To know how you can solve your gut problems, you can schedule a free consultation with me. The link will be for the calendar below under the video, and we can chat and discuss your problems. Number 3 is also a supplement, but from a different category. This one is a laxative called Cascara Sagrada, and this is a must-have to have in the house for people who tend to get constipated easily during the detox programs. Cascara Sagrada is a natural laxative derived from bark of a tree, California buckthorn tree. It has been used for centuries by people to relieve constipation. It works by stimulating the walls of the intestine, creating contractions and allowing the stool to pass quicker. All you need is 1 capsule of it, and in about 6 to 12 hours you're gonna be relieved from your constipation. Cascara Sagrada is great for short-term relief of constipation. It should never be taken for longer than 1 week at a time, and it should not be taken by pregnant women, also by people with Crohn's disease and other chronic conditions, digestive chronic conditions. Of course, it works best with increased water intake and also fiber intake. I keep a bottle of Cascara Sagrada in the house at all times for emergencies. Number 4 is fiber. Most people do not eat enough fiber. It is recommended for adults to consume at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber a day, and most adults take in far less. To get enough fiber, you need to increase the amount of vegetables and fruits you eat. But take it easy on fruit if you are on a sugar detox diet. Eat a variety of vegetables like salad or cooked vegetables every day to prevent constipation. Make a big salad for lunch or dinner with a lot of green vegetables, cabbages, radishes, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions. The more variety you have in there, the better. Cooked vegetables are good too, especially cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and also radishes and other things. And as I mentioned earlier, fruit does have a lot of fiber. However, it also contains a lot of sugar. So if you are on a sugar detox, you cannot eat a lot of fruit, maybe 2 pieces of fruit a day at the most. It's better not to count on fruit as your main source of fiber during sugar detox. Using fiber supplements is a good idea as well, especially if you tend to get chronically constipated and you don't eat enough fiber. Psyllium is a good fiber supplement that you can consume every day if your fiber intake is less than 25 to 30 grams as an insurance policy as well. If you've never taken psyllium before, make sure to start slow with the lower dose and then increase it gradually. High fiber is another fiber supplement that contains a variety of different fibers blended into it, and it tastes delicious. I really enjoy this one too. This supplement helps you feed the good bacteria in the gut to promote their health, because healthy good gut bacteria means healthy you. Just a warning that if you increased your fiber to 25 to 30 grams and you are still not regular, you may need to see a doctor to evaluate for possible problems. Number 5 is toilet stools. This is a great invention that helps people eliminate constipation. Our bodies were not designed to eliminate while in sitting positions, but rather in squatting. The height of the toilet, especially for shorter people and children, could be the reason your bowels are not emptying fully and create constipation. Your knees need to be higher than your hips for going number 2. Toilet stools are a great invention for shorter people to sit in a position where your knees will be higher than your hips and you can eliminate properly. Sorry about the video. I didn't know how to fit everything here. Number 6, walking. Walking is a great way to improve regularity of your stools. When we walk, our muscles gently squeeze the colon and improve the motility of what's inside the colon. Many of us head straight to the bathroom after a good power walk, and something about the rhythm of walking helps to get things going. Walking is amazing for so many things. It regulates your blood sugar, so you have less sugar cravings. You sleep better after a good walk. You eliminate better, and it improves your mood. In our 90-day sugar detox program, we encourage that people walk every single day for at least 20 minutes. And of course, make sure to drink plenty of water before you go for a walk, and bring a little bottle of water with you if you're going to be out for a while. Number 7 is abdominal massage. Abdominal massage can be amazing at helping you go quickly. I cannot show it to you here how to do it, so I encourage you to go to the blog post that is attached to this video, and there are instructions on how to do the abdominal massage. Also, Googling it and searching for directions and videos will help as well. Number 8 is another supplement. This one is called Lax Max, and this stuff is amazing. I recommend it to all of my customers who mention constipation during the initial consultation, because this is a must-have during sugar detox if you tend to get constipated. There are 17 different herbs and minerals in here that are proven to gently promote laxative effect and detoxification of the body, so it helps you to stay regular during those tough times. But that constipation is an imbalance of gut bacteria, and the herbs in this supplement, they help improve the gut bacteria by getting rid of the bad stuff and feeding the good stuff with prebiotics. This is not a supplement you should be taking every single day, but it's great at the times when you didn't have a chance to eat your salad. You can take this supplement instead. If you are traveling and you know that you're going to be out of your regular element, you can take Lax Max, and it will help you to stay regular. If you are eating out, personally I tend to have digestive problems after eating out in restaurants, and that's when Lax Max helped me. You should not take this supplement for more than 7 days in a row, because it will create dependency and it will become less potent for you. Give Lax Max to my teenage children after we go on vacation or any kind of trip where we were eating a lot of junk food. Usually 3 to 4 days in a row helps them to gently detoxify and regulate and rebalance their gut flora. And the last supplement for today is Metastick. It's a metabiotic. This supplement became my favorite from day one, from the first sip, because of the way how quickly it works and how it has no side effects except for really good ones. Like, it helps you go to the bathroom very smoothly, and it makes you feel good. It makes you feel happy for some reason. Metabiotics are relatively newish development in the world of supplements. These are the tiny little chemicals that are produced by the bacteria, the probiotic bacteria, and this is what we actually need when we take the probiotics or when we have the good bacteria working inside of us. When we take probiotics or we have the good bacteria working good inside of our gut, they produce tiny little substances that our body can use as energy to produce vitamins and other things. And here with this supplement, this is already derived from that bacteria, and so it works really quick in the body. That is what I found about metabiotics online when I was researching it. So the examples of metabiotics are vitamins like vitamin B12, short chain amino acids, antioxidants, enzymes like lactase, and many other things. Metabiotics can modulate various physiological processes in the body. They give us anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, immunity, anti-cancer, and even neurological benefits. That's why we feel good with them. And compared to taking probiotics to get all the benefits of metabiotics, here you have more predictable results, because it's already shelf stable and it's not gonna spoil on you, and it's just easier to use. So metabiotics help you go number 2, and they help you clean up the internal environment in the body, which is awesome. In this video I give you a variety of things to do if you tend to get chronically constipated, and you should try them all. However, you have to be warned that if things don't work, you have to go and see the doctor, because it can be an underlying serious problem. To stay regular, you need to drink a lot of water, go for daily walks, eat a big salad every day, take your supplements. I appreciate your like to this video if you enjoyed it, and hit the follow subscribe button so you can get more tips on how to stop sugar cravings. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!